Welcome to the Voyager Search installation guide for Voyager Agent, one of our core products that includes Agent, which performs discovery and indexing tasks that consist of one or multiple agents that can run on a single machine and/or cloud environment. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Voyager Agent on your system. Whether you're evaluating the software or preparing for enterprise deployment, this guide will help you get started quickly and confidently. You'll begin by opening your preferred browser and going to the Voyager download page. Once you open it up, you will see the available download options for Voyager's core products. For this video, we will download Voyager Agent. It's important to note that Voyager Agent works in tandem with HQ, and both need to be installed for the platform to work. First, before installing, you will need to meet the following system requirements, which is the operating system needing to be either Windows 64-bit or Ubuntu Linux 64-bit, and your storage needing to have about 400 megabytes of open memory. Locate the Voyager Agent.exe installer file you downloaded. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts in the setup wizard. Select Yes to allow the application to make the necessary steps to your device for it to run. Accept the license agreement and hit Next. Then choose to install into a directory by selecting a destination file on your device where Voyager Agent files will be stored. It is highly recommended to include the version number in the install folder as well as in the service file within that folder to better track upgrades in the future to your Voyager software, including for Voyager Server and HQ. If no selection is made, it will default to the current Voyager installed directory. Select Next and you will come to the next part for installing components. The current available component would be the Python plugin, which is recommended that you include in your installation. This plugin allows for creating custom pipeline steps and connectors in HQ, which expand your geospatial workflows and offer increased flexibility. To download it, you will check the box next to the Python plugin and click Next. But for the sake of this tutorial, we will be skipping installing the Voyager plugin, which can take several minutes to install. Uncheck the box next to the Create a Start Menu folder. Since Voyager Agent is being installed as a service, it won't be necessary to select the Start Menu folder that would apply to applications. You will have the option to install Voyager Agent as a service, where you can check that box and also the box for using a special user account for running the service. Select Browse and enter the name of your machine. Once you've input your machine's name, then enter your account password used to log into your machine. Click Next to proceed to the installation. Wait for the installation to complete, as it may take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, make sure the Run Voyager Agent box is unchecked and then click Finish to close the wizard. You will then need to open up the Services application from your Windows Finder to start running the service so that you can open it up in your web browser. Open the Windows App Finder and type in the search bar the word Services. Click the Services application and it will show you all the software running on your computer. Scroll down to Voyager Agent. Left-click over the name and then select the Start option, where it will change to Running. You have now started the service and can open up Voyager Agent to begin using. Go to your web browser and type http://localhost:8100, where it will automatically open up to Voyager Agent's interface for setting up your instance. In the setup page, you'll be guided through the initial setup, where you can provide your admin credentials to activate and configure basic settings for your instance. Agent is the sole component of Voyager Agent where you'll begin the setup process. For step 1, you'll provide a name for Agent. Select Next when you have entered a desired name. The second step is for connecting Voyager Agent to your HQ instance that you should have already installed and set up. Enter the HQ URL, which is the URL address used to open up your Voyager HQ instance. Enter the login credentials that were provided to you when installing and setting up Voyager Server. Note that if you haven't changed the login credentials for Voyager Server, then you'll enter admin for both your username and password. For security reasons, it's very important that you change your password in Manage UI from the default one provided to you during your Voyager Server installation. Select Connect to begin the process of linking Agent to HQ. Once the connection is made, then click Finish, which initializes the completion of your agent setup. You can now enter your Voyager agent instance to begin using. Congratulations, you've successfully installed and logged into Voyager Agent. You can now begin configuring your agents for indexing your data in HQ. Thank you for watching.